Alright, so this is continuation part 2, where we left off on part 1. So as I was saying, we got a 40 pip stop loss. We're going to trade it 1 to 4. In this case, the scenario, price came down. We won this trade. So this is another winning trade. Alright. So remember how I said that I wanted price to break a zone for the 200, for the 50 MA across the 200? Yeah, you guys remember. I know. Alright. So in this case, this is the highest area for me. Alright. Because price never came back and went above or anything like that. So this is the highest area for me. And I normally tell y'all, to mark on the 4 hour and the daily, but in this case, I'm so used to it. So remember, just mark up your charts on the 4 hour and then the hour, not the 4 hour and the daily. I'm sorry. So the 4 hour and the hour. So I get this big push down, and then I immediately get this big push up. Let me remove that. Immediately get this big move up. Alright, so I see that. I know I'm about to get some pullback to test, this area of support. This area of support, which is right here. I get this wick. All I'm waiting for now, the market is live at this point, starting at 5 o'clock on Sunday, Eastern time. So all I'm waiting for now is a big compulsive move to collect all this, price to break above 50 and made a cross over the 200, and baby, we in for the buys. And when GBP trends, guys, it trends. Let me show y'all, okay? So when GBP trends, it trends. Y'all get what I'm saying? So this is a lot of bread for a small account. This is a lot of bread for a small account, even though we got 2 trades in. So I just gained $5 on a 0.01 and $5 on a 0.01. So I just gained $10. Okay, so this is simple. This is easy. I only recommend you, when you first start off, is just trade this with GBP JPY until you start to learn more about support and resistance zones. And the way you can learn about support and resistance zones is just find weakness and find strength. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and remove these drawings real quick. Get back to where we was. This is the 4 hour chart. All right. Automatically resistance. Automatically. I already knew it. Automatically. Okay. It's weak right here. I mean, not resistance. I'm sorry. Support. Past resistance. Okay. Automatically. I see that. I already see that price came and it tested this area. Right. Also see some support area going on from the past. Support right here going on from the past. So I know for a fact that price has to come back and break above this area. This is some resistance in the past. So, and then also some resistance here, right? So I drop down to the hour. I see what price is going on in the hour. I see some resistance or some support right here. So I'm like, okay, I'm liking this right here. I see some support right here. Move that to yellow. So I'm just in a zone right now. So I go to that 15-minute chart. Literally, did y'all not remember when I drew that support on the 15-minute without going to the 4 hour? You got to get so used to it, okay? So I'm waiting for price closed above this area. I got 2 red candles. I'm looking for a green candle. The big move to the upside to break this zone right here, Once it breaks that, 200 cross, 50 crosses above the 200, which it will. We in an uptrend for the whole week, y'all. I just gave y'all some sauce for next week. All right. Now, if price comes back down, it's only gonna test this area down here, and then it's gonna shoot back up. So I'll be putting a buy limit in right here. So this is easy. This is simple. I really recommend when you first start off is find a pair that trends. GBP JPY trends beautifully. Okay. That's why I recommend it. Then once you get that, just go for all buys. Start off with all buys, okay? Like, get your mind programmed to only trade buys first. All right. Then once you get the buys down, you're gonna have your mind already programmed that you're looking for certain candles. All right. So drop y'all some heat real quick. All right. Drop y'all some heat. One thing I know about price is that if you look in the past, excuse me, I apologize. If you look in the past, we knew that price already took this shot up. Price always has to come back down and collect what it shot up. Always. All right. Even if it has pull back down, it has to. So in this case, even though we missed out some trades, all right, even though we missed out on some trades, me personally, I would have had an entry. I'm giving y'all too much knowledge right now for the freezies. Here we go. I would have had an entry here, an entry here, an entry here, and I would have called this weak, so I would have did that. All right. So once you learn how to trade more, if y'all want to learn more about trading, I'll put the Instagram is in the description. Just hit me up on Instagram, text the number in my bio, and we can get started. I don't charge a high amount. Reasons being because I know that there's nobody in Forex who shouldn't learn more about Forex. Okay? So when somebody says they have all the knowledge, that means that they put a cap on what they should learn. Let's not trade with those people. Let's not learn from those people. Let's learn from people who want to continue to learn. All right. So like I said, GBP JPY, start off with just that. Have the 50 and the 200 EMA, the crosses, and then y'all good to go. If y'all want to know more about how you can get in on entries like this, talk to me on Instagram. Like I said, it's gonna be in the description. And then also I'm gonna put the broker that I trade with for people who have low accounts. When I say low accounts, I mean those $10 accounts. People literally would tell you that their broker will accept low amounts, and in reality, the low amount for their broker is really $100 or $500. So I'm gonna drop that in there. You do not have to use that broker. It's not me saying it's a requirement. It's just it's what I recommend. Okay, so y'all got the sauce, y'all got the knowledge. Take it to the market, y'all.